Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 1. What tense describes things you do every day or a general fact that is always true? A. I am going to school now. B. I go to school every day. C. I went to school yesterday. D. I will go to school tomorrow. Correct answer, I go to school every day. Simple present tense. Question number 2. What tense describes an action that is happening at the exact moment of speaking? A. She sings beautifully. B. She sang a song. C. She is singing a song now. D. She will sing tomorrow. Correct answer, she is singing a song now. Present continuous tense. Question number 3. What tense describes an action that was completed at a specific time in the past? A. They are playing football. B. They played football last night. C. They play football every weekend. D. They will play football later. Correct answer, they played football last night. Simple past tense. Question number 4. What tense describes an action that will happen in the future, often a simple prediction or plan? A. He watches TV. B. He watched TV. C. He is watching TV. D. He will watch TV tonight. Correct answer, he will watch TV tonight. Simple future tense. Question number 5. Which tense expresses a general intention or a less definite future plan? A. I'm going to buy a new car next year. B. I will buy a new car next year. C. I buy a new car next year. D. I am buying a new car next year. Correct answer, I will buy a new car next year. Simple future tense. Question number 6. Which tense is used to talk about experiences or achievements up to the present? A. He won a gold medal last year. B. He has won a gold medal. C. He is winning a gold medal. D. He wins a gold medal. Correct answer, he has won a gold medal. Present perfect tense. Question number 7. What tense describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future? A. They will study. B. They will be studying all evening. C. They have studied. D. They studied. Correct answer, they will be studying all evening. Future continuous tense. Question number 8. What tense describes an action that was completed before another action or a specific point in the past? A. She had finished her homework before she went out. B. She finishes her homework before she goes out. C. She is finishing her homework before she goes out. D. She will finish her homework before she goes out. Correct answer, she had finished her homework before she went out. Past perfect tense. Question number 9. What tense describes an action that will be completed before a specific time or another action in the future? A. By next year, I will graduate. B. By next year, I will have graduated. C. By next year, I am graduating. D. By next year, I graduated. Correct answer, by next year, I will have graduated. Future perfect tense. Question number 10. Which tense is used for an action that was going on at a specific time in the past, without interruption? A. At 7 p.m. yesterday, I read a book. B. At 7 p.m. yesterday, I was reading a book. C. At 7 p.m. yesterday, I had read a book. D. At 7 p.m. yesterday, I read a book. Correct answer, at 7 p.m. yesterday, I was reading a book. Past continuous tense.